Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have a Akaso camera, which we will unbox. This is my first YouTube video that I ever do for content creating, so please bear with me as I mess up everything. Alright, let's get started, shall we? Alright, well, that was a fail. Clearly they don't want you to open up this packaging nicely, so we'll just rip it open, shall we? Alright, so here's the contents inside the packaging. Got our camera with a nice little mount and this box. Inside the box we have plate for the casing, we have a tether cable, this is the remote control that comes with the product, another housing, looks like a battery, another mounting hardware, more mounting hardware, more mounting hardware. This is looking promising. This I don't know what it is. We have the USB charge cable, data cable. Okay, this was the battery charger. This is the batteries. Another battery. More mounting hardware. More mounting hardware. More mounting hardware. Well, this is worth the money in mounting hardware alone. Activate your 24-month free warranty. Interesting. And a Velcro strap, possibly for the wrist mount. Alright, so without further ado, maybe I'll charge up these batteries and I'll switch over to this camera and we can see the quality that it brings. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Just tested out the remote feature, seems to work very well. So here we are, 4K 30 frames a second. I didn't fiddle with any of the settings on the camera. I just put the batteries in, which took 2.5 hours to charge. And I put the memory card in, did a format, very easy to use, very impressed. What I recorded with the last video was my antique Galaxy A8. Has a 1080p camera and it's about the size of a pinhole. So hopefully it does better quality than my phone. I won't know until I hook the camera up to my computer and copy the video and edit the video, which will be my first time editing a video, so could be months before you actually see the video from the original time I recorded. But so that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick little video on unboxing the v50pro camera, and if you like the video, like and subscribe and wait around for my next one. There's going to be a lot more videos to come. This is the whole point of purchasing this camera. So thank you very much for watching, and have a good day.